In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble the E5 optical motor encoder. The E5 is often installed on NEMA 17 to 34 motors, but can also be used on larger motors. We set up this assembly using a NEMA 23 motor. Place the base onto the mounting surface. Be sure that the bottom of the centering tool is flush with the mounting surface, and then tighten the mounting screws. We suggest you keep your finger on the centering tool while securing the screws. We didn't in this case, so that you could see what we were doing. Once the screws are tight, remove the centering tool. Next, we're going to install the hub disc. To make sure it's properly aligned with the module in the next step, we're going to use a spacer tool. The important thing is to make sure that it's around the shaft and seated flush with the base. Place the hub disc on the shaft, press down until it's flush with the spacer tool, tighten the set screw with the provided hex wrench while pressing down on the hub. Once it's secure with 2 to 3 inch-pounds of torque, remove the spacer tool. For our 10-pin version of the E5, press the line driver onto the module pins until it stops against the module. To avoid injury, be careful when installing the module and line drivers as the pins are quite sharp. With the E5, the module is seated on the base with a thicker portion on the bottom. Slip the module into position so the 2 alignment pins in the base slip into the holes of the module. Then secure with the 2 440 by 1/2 inch screws. Tighten the module screws with 3.5 to 4 inch-pounds of torque. Next, place the cover over the assembly and secure it with the 2 440 by 5/8 inch flathead screws. Tighten the cover screws with 2 to 4 inch-pounds of torque. And that's all it takes to assemble the E5. Finally, you'd connect your motor and encoder up to verify that everything is working as expected. If you have any additional questions, be sure to let us know in the comments or by reaching out to us at the link, which is also in the video description. And if you found this video helpful and want to stay up to date with encoder tips, tutorials, and new product releases, be sure to subscribe to our channel.